Hey guys, it's LT with LT Fit here. I'm excited because I'm starting a new series called How to Get Started with Fitness. I'm going to go over every single detail of how to get started with fitness. So if you can think of anything that you want a video on that concerns how to get started with fitness, please comment below and let me know, and I will be sure to add it to my list. I think I have about 15 or 20 videos so far I'm going to do in this series because I really want to help more people get fit and healthy no matter where you are. I really want to help you get fit and healthy. So that's why I came up with this idea to do 15 to 20, a whole series on how to get fit. We'll talk about nutrition. We'll talk about what clothes to wear. We'll talk about what foods to eat. We'll talk about every single thing, what exercise to do, where to go, how to pick a gym, how to pick a trainer. Every single thing that you need to get started on fitness, I'm going to cover in these videos coming. So please comment below, like and share. And if you have anything you think that you want to know about fitness that you can benefit from, how to get started with fitness, this is LT and I look forward to helping you. Stay tuned. Have a great day.